everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about the first episode of Igumbi Lamakhosikazi, which is the talk show by the famous Musamselegu's wives from Uthando, nesthembu. The sister's wife guys hope to create a safe haven for couples to discuss intense marital issues such as polygamy, intimacy and more. Fans were excited about seeing Musamselegu's wives back on our screen with something different in Naguti Bazobeku SABC 1. But again, guys, after the first episode, the show was not well received by SABC 1 fans. Social media felt it was not well conducted. It felt like a community TV content with a poor quality. The biggest issue was indlela amakhosikazi kaMseleku benganikani ngayo isikhathi sokukhuluma as if they were not prepared. Mekhuluma macele uma yenu uyangenelela makhumalo uyakhuluma, so nje beyinto bebingahlangene kahle, bebekhuluma bonke ngesikhathi esodwa, and it was making it difficult for ama viewers to follow up or to follow the story they were discussing or talking about. They even had a professional guest who was there to assist on their discussion, but nalokho akwenzanga umehluko ngako ngoba into yabo ibingahlangene kahle. But guys, it was their first episode. Maybe the second one will be better, who knows. Let's move along to the second thing that surprised many people. Ukuthi uMangwabe ubengekho lapha yana kuleya show. A lot has been said, guys. Some are saying maybe she have ended her marriage with the polygamist Musamseleku after their disagreement on the issue of Musa taking wife number 5. But again, guys, mina ngicabanga ukuthi she is busy uMangwabe, taking into consideration ukuthi her profession is very demanding. She's a nurse by profession, so they are always busy. So angicabanga ukuthi unasesikhathi esiningi. Ngingazi ke ukuthi kahle kahle yini ebimenza ukuthi angabibikho kuleya show. That brings us to the end of this video, guys. But before I end it, I have this question for you. Did you watch the show? If yes, were you impressed? Were you satisfied? If not, what changes would you like to see in future kuleya show Igumbi Lamakhosikazi? Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.